Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send money from the USA to Turkey in 2025. Whether you're sending cash to family, paying for an investment, or handling international business, this guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. With advancements in tech, sending money has never been easier or faster. First things first, let's talk about your options. In 2025, you can choose from traditional banks, online services like Wise or Revolut, or even cutting-edge apps that use blockchain for instant transfers. Start by comparing fees and exchange rates. Remember, the Turkish lira might fluctuate, so use tools like real-time currency converters to get the best deal. Step 1. Gather your essentials. You'll need a valid US bank account, the recipient's details in Turkey, like their bank account number or IBAN, and proper identification to comply with regulations. Security is key, so enable two-factor authentication on whatever platform you're using. Next, head to Step 2. Select your method. If you're going digital, apps like Wise are fantastic because they offer low fees and quick delivery, often within minutes. For larger amounts, traditional banks like Bank of America might be more reliable, but they could take a few days. If you're tech-savvy, explore crypto options like stablecoins, which are booming in 2025 for their speed and lower costs. Don't forget Step 3. Double-check everything. Review the exchange rate, transaction fees, and any potential taxes. In 2025, new regulations might require you to report transfers over a certain amount to avoid penalties. Once you're set, initiate the transfer and keep an eye on your email for confirmations. Finally, a few pro tips. Always use reputable services to avoid scams, consider the time of day for better rates, and track your transaction with the provider's app. There you have it. That's how you send money from the USA to Turkey in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.